All right, picture this. You are remodeling your kitchen. You were able to actually get like everything you dreamed about, all the fun accessories, the functional items, and you stay within your budget. Amazing. But then the actual remodel happens, and now several mistakes or unknown questions come up that actually lead to very costly remakes or just additional charges that you weren't aware of. And now you're just blowing right through your budget. Now, we are past our budget. And at this point, you have to finish because your family needs a kitchen. You would be surprised how often this happens. According to an independent study that was actually initiated by the platform Houzz, over 70% of all remodeling projects go over budget. It's kind of scary. So here's the kicker though. Most of this can be avoided by these 5 simple steps. My name is Kerstin and I am the owner and founder of The Material Bar. We are a destination kitchen and bath showroom located just south of Tacoma, featuring a world of international remodeling brands. Our team of brand experts are here to show you the possibility of what you can create for your own space. All right, let's talk about 5 very easy ways to avoid costly mistakes on your next remodel. Number 1, not setting or sticking to a budget. There is this notion that people don't want to talk about their budget or keep it a secret, but in reality, you're saving everyone, including yourself, a lot of time and extra work by saying what you're hoping to accomplish within that budget. This way, all of your professionals now can give you the best advice while planning your remodel. Now we can guide you correctly. And believe me, everyone has a budget. It's just that it's a different size for different people, okay? And if you don't even know what your budget should be for a kitchen remodel or bathroom remodel in your area, no problem at all. I've added a link below to a study that shows national remodeling averages, so you can get a good idea of what to expect. And the study itself even breaks it out to between major and minor remodels. So for a kitchen, a footprint kitchen, or you're changing your footprint. I also want to add that you should be saving about 10% of your overall budget for unforeseen things. So something that comes up rather often is having, for example, water damage behind old appliances, and then you need to have some subfloor repairs done. Number 2, overlooking functionality and workflow. If you watched a few of my videos, you know I like to say function over fashion. A kitchen or bathroom can look really, really nice on picture, but then when you're actually trying to live and work in the space, you can realize, wow, this space is really not working and it doesn't flow. And now you have to spend potentially more time, more money, more effort to fix it all. And it could be in the thousands, and I've seen it happen. I've seen people who spend thousands and I've helped them fix it to get it to a functional space. That's where space planning and understanding kitchen and bath standards is really important. What are those standards? That is a whole other video, and I have, several of those videos, and we can link them below. Number 3, skimping on low quality materials. Do you really want to go through the entire remodeling project only for it to fall apart and not look good in like a year or 2? Of course not. You want the outcome to last for years to come. So invest in good quality materials. Think about cabinets, for example. In your kitchen, the cabinets build the foundation for appliances, countertops, tile, okay? Everything that goes into the space. So make sure you have a good quality cabinet brand. Typically, we recommend your cabinets actually take up about 30% of the overall budget. Number 4, work with a reliable contractor who also has your best interest. We have a lack in the US compared to other countries like in Europe of about 10 years difference when it comes to innovation of building products. And I believe, partially it comes from, obviously, it's a very large country. So things just take more time in the US to implement throughout. But also educating on materials and new options and having good enough install guidance for your contractors. And on top of it all, contractors that are open to innovation. If your contractor says things like, I've done it like this for the last 30 years, that might not be the best comment, okay? Work with someone who is open to innovation. We have a group of vetted and reliable contractors that we can recommend who are very in tune already with a lot of the cool new things that we carry. And drum roll please, one of the most important and point 5 in our series on how to avoid costly mistakes in your remodel. Invest time and effort into your design phase. Your design professional knows that installing tile like in a certain pattern will cost more. You need to discuss these parts in the beginning so your installer gives you the right estimate and you avoid costly change orders throughout the project. There are 100 different examples I can give you, but it's the most common mistakes of not working through all of the little details up front that then cause changes midway throughout your project. Luckily for you, remodeling can be a lot easier when done the right way and working with a professional. If you need more help on this and are starting to plan your own kitchen, bath, or home remodel, we'd love to help you. Book your free meet and greet with us and be on your way to your new dream kitchen today. You'd be surprised on how easy we made the process, okay? Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you in your next project, wherever you are. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'm always happy to get back to you. Otherwise, I'll catch you on the next video, ready to bring you a whole new world of international brands to raise your remodeling experience.